Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama saya di Indobrony Channel, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan reaction kita, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan series My Little Pony Friendship is Magic season keempat, dan sekarang adalah episode kelima ya, yang judulnya Fly to the Finish. Dan ya, seperti yang saya bilang, saya pernah nonton season 4, 5, 3, 4, 5-nya, jadi bukan blend reaction ya. Ini cuma kayak rewatch gitu. Dan ya, di episode kali ini kita akan melihat Cutie Mark Crusader lagi ya. Di fokus episode ini adalah Cutie Mark Crusader dan ada juga Rainbow Dash ya. Dan tanpa saya spoiler lebih lanjut, kita langsung saja ke videonya. Kita akan mulai videonya dalam 3, 2, 1, mulai.
Today, we have two special guests with a very special announcement. Every pony, welcome the head of the Equestria Games, Miss Harshwinny.
Ketua ya. Kalau tidak salah kita sudah lihat ini di episode ke berapa ya? Episode 3 kalau tidak salah ya.
Well, now you littlest ones will have the chance to compete for a weighty responsibility of your very own.
Oh, come on! Tell them the fun part!
Dan ya, Rainbow Dash datang.
That's right! All you gotta do is show Miss Harshwinny the coolest, most spectacular, most rockin' routine, and you're going to the game!
Semangat banget ya Rainbow Dash. Snip dan Snail.
Hey, it could happen.
Well, mungkin. Poni kecilku, poni kecilku, poni kecilku. Apa makna persahabatan poni kecilku? Kini ku tahu sejak berteman. Petualangan, keceriaan, keikhlasan, setia dan tabah, berbuat baik, bersahaja, magis membuat sempurna. Poni kecilku, kalian adalah sahabatku. Dan by the way, saya kembali menggunakan handphone karena saya pulang kampung ya. Komputer saya ada di kota.
Miss Dash, will you please curb your over-enthusiastic outbursts? Now then, let me be clear on the rules. You ponies will form teams. Each team will create their own flag-carrying routine. Every pony will be judged on grace, style, and
aksennya kuat banget ya. Every.
Complicated scoring system.
Ed Valentine ya yang tulis episode kali ini.
Who's the coach? That's right, me.
Pelatihnya Rainbow Dash ya.
Guess who carried the Cloudsdale flag in the games when she was a little filly? Me. I'll never forget.
Wah.
Burst into the stadium, spreading my wings, the flag flapping in the breeze. I did tricks with that flag, the likes of which.
Termotivasi banget ya kelihatannya si Scutelu.
Professionalism, Miss Dash, I must insist. If you want to keep your job as coach of
harus profesional.
Maintain a professional attitude and keep your
bersikap
emotions in
profesional.
check. I'm making myself absolutely 100% crystal clear.
Yes, Miss Harshwinny. You know,
Harshwinny.
is my middle name.
Well, saya baru sadar kalau perelakunya begitu karena di namanya ada harusnya.
To the Crystal Empire, where you will demonstrate your routines for me and the other judges, who will judge you very professionally.
Very professionally, harus sangat profesional ya.
Get ready to train and train hard. because I know this opening ceremony is the single most important thing that will ever happen in your young lives. But I know you're up for the challenge, and so am I! Ahem. Meet me after school tomorrow at 15.
Ya, aku rasa tidak apa-apa lah. Semangat banget Rainbow Dash.
I am out of here. Professionally. See how professionally?
Ponies, the most important thing is this. Your routine needs to show what your
Kan gara-gara semangatnya Rainbow Dash itu kayaknya para poni kecil ini
Be bold.
termotivasi banget. Contohnya kayak skuter lu tadi, itu kayak kagum banget gitu.
So what do you say we come up with the perfect routine and win this thing? I'd say that's really damn terrific. But there's one problem. I bet every pony in class is planning to compete. Listen.
Iya, well ya pasti
some pony
ada.
in our class is gonna carry that flag. So it might as well be us. Crusaders, are you in or are you in? 'Cause I'm in. Me too.
Me three.
All right, the winning routine needs to show what's important about Ponyville, right? Right. So, what's special about Ponyville? It's... I've got it. It's a place where different kinds of ponies live together as friends.
Pintar-pintar skuter lu.
Like me. Unicorns like me.
Yep.
And Pegasi like me. So somehow we gotta figure out a way to show that in our act. We're gonna need a plan. And a lot of hard work. And a whole bunch of practice. But take it from me, we may just be little ponies, but we have hearts as strong.
Oh ya, bakalan ada lagu ya. Saya suka lagunya juga ini. Yang versi bahasa Indonesianya, dub Indonesia juga saya suka loh.
We're the toughest little ponies in town, got the moves, got the
Di season 3 dan season 4 ini banyak dub Indonesianya yang saya suka lagunya ya. Walaupun ganti dubber ya. Kayaknya dubber anunya normalnya tidak bisa bernyanyi gitu. Saya harap sebenarnya dubber di Indonesia itu bertalenta seperti dubber seiyu Jepang gitu, karena mereka kayak multi talenta tuh, seiyu Jepang gitu. Bisa nyanyi lah, bisa dance lah, bisa jadi kayak macam idol lah, bisa ngeband lah. Jadi tidak perlu ganti-ganti dubber gitu, karena kalau ganti-ganti dubber itu suaranya jadi kayak gimana gitu. Apalagi kalau suara mereka itu terlalu berbeda. Sekuat kuda, kita punya hati. Sekuat kuda, kita punya hati. Sekuat kuda. Saya agak lupa yang dub Indonesianya bagaimana versinya gitu, lirik versi Indonesianya. Hati yang sekuat kuda, hati yang sekuat kuda. Diamond Tiara dan Silver Spoon.
We're going to win for sure. We already have the most divine routine planned. It's absolutely sure to crush everyone else, and I mean crush.
Saya mau melihat bagaimana
We have hearts,
penampilannya
but
Diamond
you
Tiara
know
dan
what we
Silver
don't
Spoon.
have? Your cutie marks. Flang, flangs, flang, flangs, flang, flangs. What does that have to do with flag?
Iya, tidak ada hubungannya.
Markless ponies represent Ponyville would be unthinkable. And we, of course, already have our cutie marks. So we know who's gonna be in the winner's circle. Listen, you two. Cutie marks or no cutie marks, you'll see. The Crusaders are gonna carry that flag at the games.
Tell them.
Ponies,
Tell them, skuter lu.
on. Show me what you got, cutie mark Crusaders, and make it good.
Make it good.
We will. Now, this is just a little something we threw together. It's not perfect yet, not even close. Let's watch the Cutie Mark goof satyrs do their sad little routine. They're gonna be a hot mess. Since the dawn of recorded time, in one town of amazing amazingness, 3 types of ponies coexist. We are Earth ponies. We are unicorns. We are Pegasi. And the town where friendship reigns is our home. Now welcome to the stadium, the flag of the place we love best. Ponyville forever! Yay!
Wow, walaupun baru latihan pertama ya, sudah bagus anunya penampilannya.
That was amazing! Wait, hold on now. Gotta stay calm, cool, and collected.
Ah,
To give a calm, clear analysis. Wait, you whipped that act together just yesterday? That is professional.
sebenarnya kalau Rainbow Dash ini
Overall, it was
tidak terlalu terpaku sama yang namanya profesional itu pasti.
Overall, it was okay.
Bak-
Working hard. Who
bakalan
knows? You might have
senang
tried.
banget
Gotta
Cutie
get
Mark Crusader gitu.
You don't think she liked her?
Iya,
Not
very.
sure. You
Ya,
heard
tapi
her?
karena
We
disuruh
worked hard.
profesional ya, mau gimana
So let's
lagi.
keep working. Drop to it, ponies. Did you see that? I can't believe I'm saying this. They could win. But how do we stop them? We already called them blank flanks. Then we need to find a new way to get under their skin.
Oh my.
Or maybe get under their wings.
Under their
Just
wings.
wanted to say your act is quite impressive. Wait, what? Thanks?
Sebenarnya kalau misalnya pakai yang sapi Indonesia, ya Pak,
Why? Isn't it obvious? It
entahlah kalian versi Indonesianya diterjemahkan secara apa itu, under their wings-nya itu atau under their skin gitu. Bagaimana terjemahannya gitu. Karena kalau saya lihat ini subtitle Indonesianya memang bener anunya artinya, cuman gimana ya, nggak apa-apa lah kalau istilah atau slang gitu. Saya tidak tahu bilang apa ya.
Represent Ponyville in front of all of Equestria. Miss Harshwinny never said anything about that. I would have thought that was obvious. Well, have fun practicing anyway. Even if your routine will never, how shall I say, take off. Don't listen to them, Scootaloo. Scootaloo? You okay? Routine isn't working how it is.
Masuk ke hatinya ya, Scootaloo ya.
What? Wow. If we want to win, I'm gonna have to fly. Is that even possible? In bad tomorrow? Maybe I can fly if I work twice as hard. See? Ugh. Maybe 3 times as hard. Golly, I don't know, Scootaloo. I don't think that's the problem. Well, I know this for sure. Flying is the only way we're gonna win. So it's back to practice.
Iya, sebenarnya tidak perlu juga Scootaloo bisa terbang ya, karena anggap saja misalnya timnya siapa namanya, Diamond Tiar sama Silver Spoon, mereka itu tidak ada yang Pegasus. Kan mereka juga akan mempresentasikan Ponyville ya. Mereka tidak terbang gitu. Tidak perlu terbang untuk mempresentasikan Ponyville gitu. Karena mereka juga tidak bisa terbang gitu. Iya. Dan saya masih bingung gitu, kenapa Scootaloo tidak bisa terbang memang sih. Meanwhile, Blue Bicep bisa terbang loh. Padahal itu sayapnya kecil banget gitu, lebih kecil banget daripada tubuhnya ya. Yang penuh otot, yang berat itu, otot beratnya, aduh.
and then I stamp, and then we turn it. Sorry.
This is bad.
Ta-da! So, what you think? That's, good and all. I just thought maybe possibly you might want to go back to, say, the first version of the act, which was, I don't know, what's the word? Better? Just do the routine as it was. Don't mess with success, right? Seriously. Now I need to go coach these other ponies. And don't forget, we've got to catch the early train for the Crystal Empire. See you in the morning. What are we gonna do? We're competing tomorrow and I still can't fly.
Scootaloo, sudah dibilang sama Rainbow Dash
Keep going.
penampilannya kemarin itu lebih baik, lebih bagus
And now
gitu.
I have
Karena
to play too. It feels like it's all about you now. She's
iya,
right.
iya.
It's like you don't even need us anymore. Of course I need you. Without you two, who's gonna hold up the hoop?
Ah,
You don't listen to yourself. Forget it. I'm going home to get some sleep. So, are you gonna leave me too? We've got to catch the early train to the Crystal Empire. I better get some rest. See you in the morning, Scootaloo. Come on, Scootaloo. Do it for Ponyville. Just gotta try 20 times as hard.
20 times.
30 times as hard.
Scootaloo, maybe you need
Just
rest.
a little.
Ya butuh istirahat Scootaloo coy.
I can't fly. I just can't.
Crystal Empire, all aboard!
Scootaloo? Where is she? She better get here soon. This here train is about to leave. Here I am. We were scared you were gonna miss the train. I'm not going. What? I'm the weak link. If I go and fall, flop, or do anything but fly, I'm gonna blow it for you two. I can't believe you're quitting on us. But you're better off without me. But that's not true, Scootaloo.
Betul.
Know what, Sweetie Belle? Forget it. If she's gonna quit, we don't want her, and we don't need her. Fine. Fine.
Bertengkar Scootaloo dengan Apple Bloom.
How's my favorite routine going today? I just can't keep it in. I want you to win so bad. Then Scootaloo does that through the hoop.
Iya,
Be a Scootaloo.
iya.
She's staying home. She's what? She got it in her head that the only way to represent Ponyville was by flying in our routine. When she couldn't do it, she told us that she was quitting. And then you tried to stop her from doing that, right? Well, actually, we kinda told her, and we didn't want to quit her. Hang on, are you nuts? You're a team, and a team never leaves a friend behind. Come on! Sorry you can't make it. We'll take a picture for you from the winner's circle.
Mereka tidak memikirkan pelatih mereka yang juga sebenarnya dan Rainbow Dash juga tidak terlalu kayaknya tidak memperhatikan Diamond Tiara dan Silver Spoon.
Throwing away your scooter? Rainbow Dash? Yep, but not just me. I don't want to see them. And what are they doing here anyway? They're supposed to be on the train. We're not going. Not without you, Scootaloo. What's gotten into you, Scootaloo? I didn't want to ruin their chance to win just because I couldn't fly. And who said you had to? But flying's what Pegasus ponies are supposed to do. You flew when you carried the flag in the games. But that was me. You're you. It
Betul.
just doesn't matter if you can fly or not. Your routine was amazing because it represented exactly what makes Ponyville special. You
Iya.
still know what that is, right? Friendship. 3 kinds of ponies living together as friends, just like us. Earth ponies, unicorns, and pegasi.
Yes.
But Rainbow Dash, what if my wings never grow?
Ya.
I never fly. Listen, Scootaloo, maybe you'll fly someday, or maybe you won't. You're all kinds of awesome anyway.
Hah.
The toughest little pony in town. Got the moves, got the mojo. No harder working pony around. We are a trio. Work as a team. We'll be the first ponies out on the flag waving scene. So let's get to the Crystal Empire and let's do the routine as it was. And let's win this thing. We've got hearts.
Sekuat kuda, hati yang sekuat kuda, hati yang sekuat kuda. Kita We got her as strong as horses. Dan kemana Rainbow Dash?
Ponyville forever!
In the Equestria Games, the Ponyville flag will be carried by Cutie Mark Crusaders.
Congrats, Cutie Mark Crusaders.
Ahem. Look, what you three did was acceptable.
Acceptable? Acceptable? Why, it was totally stupendously the single most amazing
Yang
thing
paling
I've ever
semangat
seen.
sekarang adalah Mr. Haswin ya.
Excitement, Miss Harshwinny.
Miss Harswin ya, Mister lagi.
Professionalism.
Yes.
Professionalism.
You know what this means, right? What? We are totally gonna get cutie marks in flag carrying. Yeah!
Poni kecilku, poni kecilku. Poni kecilku. Dan itu tadi My Little Pony Friendship is Magic season keempat episode kelima. Dan untuk video kali ini mungkin segitu saja. Jika kalian suka dengan konten-konten seperti ini, jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, dan subscribe ya. Dan jika kalian ingin mendukung saya, kalian bisa dukung lewat Patreon, Sebenarnya ataupun Traktir yang linknya ada di deskripsi. Mau dukung saya di Dana juga bisa. Dan juga kalau kalian mau gabung ke server Discord saya, linknya juga ada di deskripsi. Dan sampai jumpa di next video. Free Palestine, bye.